The Euskaldantzak are the typical dance from the Basque Country, as they are very representative of the Basque culture and folklore. Zinta dantza is a well-known traditional dance in Europe and Latin America. It originally is in the Middle Age when people used to dance around a tree to invoke good crop. After they started to dance around a wooden stick in colorful scenery. Originally, only males asked to dance. Nowadays, it is played by females. Each woman takes in her hands one of the multiple colored bands and dances around, rolling them together and then unrolling them backward.